Welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Halti Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Halti Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Pricing a SaaS product is different from a traditional product. A SaaS customer pays on a recurring basis, such as every month or year. Since the customer is paying for a service for a period of time, then the price must reflect that usage. There are two pricing considerations in a recurring revenue model: cost of customer acquisition and lifetime value. Price must be low enough to fit into the customer's monthly or annual budget. Price must be high enough to deliver to the company a healthy lifetime revenue stream. Too low a price and the company won't be able to grow because there's not enough revenue from the product to cover the cost of delivering it. Too high a price and the company will incur a higher cost of acquisition. To price your SaaS product, consider the following. Identify the value metric of your product or service. Review your cost of customer acquisition and unit economic terms from your initial cohorts. Look at the churn rate, which is the rate customers are dropping out, to estimate your lifetime value. If you lower your price, your cost of customer acquisition should go down. If it does not, then you should consider raising your price and check the impact on your churn rate. Finally, review the competition to see what others in the industry are doing. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us into today. Halti Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.